What's up, good people?
So first, you start by brushing your eyebrows using a spoolie or a cold mascara brush. Then, using a black liner, the liner is extra your eyebrows according to the natural shape. Be light-handed with the brush so that the lines can be precise. Using a brown eyebrow liner, use it to fill the eyebrows, the edges being darker and a bit lighter in the front. At the bridge of your nose, use light strokes so that they can look like natural hair. Do the same to the other eyebrows, just line using a black eyeliner or a black brow liner according to your natural shape. Make sure that it isn't box like at the bridge of your nose so that they can look natural. Use slow strokes. Brush the eyebrows with a spoolie so that they can look a bit natural. Using LA Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, we are going to conceal the under part of the eyebrows using an angled brush. Just follow the straight line, the line that you had already drawn using the eyebrow. Put a little bit of the concealer and try to draw it towards the eyelids. Using a foundation, for this case I'm using black opal in the shade Beautiful Bronze, line the upper side of the eyebrow. Blend the foundation precisely into the skin so that there should be no dark lines. Do the same for the other eyebrow and follow precisely what you've drawn. And there you have your perfect eyebrows, those Instagram brows, slay your way out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comment. Until next time. Bye.
Ciao!